Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel FFR Education. Today in this video, you will learn a lot things like was and were. Okay, two types was and were. Where you use was and were. What is the differentiate between was and where? Okay guys, I am Nazir and you watching FFR Education. And I hope that how are you guys? I hope that you are very fine and you are doing very well. So guys, I hope that you watching my video till end, and I expect that you will learn today and whole day you will speak English fluently anyone. So guys, without delay, let's start. What are the difference between was and were? Very confusing, and I can't make sentence. So guys, this type of sentence, if you want to make, you will have to know about was and were. Was means tha, the, thi. Okay guys, and were means tha, the, thi. But I don't know how to make sentence. What is the subject? What is the third person? So guys, I, we, it is called first person guys. Okay, you, it is called second person. He, she, it is called third person. And any name. Okay guys, but something are confusion. What? He, where I use, where you use, and she, where you use. What is the difference between she and he? Okay guys, she especially used for girl, she, she, that means he. Okay, and he means he means wa, especially used for boys. Okay, and any name. So let's start guys. We make sentence and listen carefully and try to speak and try to make sentence. Okay guys, he was very busy. It means वह काफी व्यस्त था. Okay guys, it means third person. With he, we always use was. Okay, and they were very busy. वे लोग काफी व्यस्त थे. It is called in Hindi. Hindi meanings guys. Okay, you were busy. आप व्यस्त थे. It is called in Hindi. Okay guys. So we always remember. Don't forget guys. We always use was third person and singular. Okay, and we always use were, W-E-R-E, was. We always use I, we, you, and any plural subject we can use were. Okay, and after that any third person, suppose that he, she, it, any name, person, anything, we use was. So guys, I hope that you have learned and today and you can make sentence. I make sentence something, listen carefully. We was farmer, हम लोग किसान थे. It means and he was farmer, वह किसान था. So guys, I used one sentence was and I use one sentence were. So little things, and this is topic very small, and you have to understand guys. Was especially used for singular subject, third person. Suppose that he, she, it, any name. Mohan was ready. Mohan ready tha. It means okay. And Rahim was very busy. Rahim बहुत busy था. And they were farmer. वे लोग किसान थे. And they were strong. वे लोग मजबूत थे. And you were strong. आप मजबूत थे. So guys, it is very easy to understand was and were. Okay, we use always was especially for singular and third person, and were we use always any plural subject and first person and second person, I, we, you, they, it is called plural. Okay, and third person. So guys, this is my small topic, and you like my video. So guys, please help me and my channel subscribe and watch till end. I meet in the next video other topics with other topics, guys. So thank you so much watching my video. I am very grateful to you.